here for another video. Today's video is gonna be I reacting to a video. So today's video is vanoss gaming evil experiment. I think so. That's it. Wait. The experiment. Yeah. So let's get right into it.
Someone's gonna put down their DFG Ragnarok right here, right?
What is that? Is that
Your,
from Thor?
your gravity spikes, Evan!
Okay. I don't know the terminology.
You're gonna put down your gravity spikes, right? This is going to make the clock tower work. Downstairs right here, someone's gonna drop their DFG, right?
You just said upstairs.
I'm sorry, it just says on the floor. We have fucking 3
Wait,
chances.
I thought you figured this out. What are you reading off of?
Shut up! So, we have to stop the clock at 9:35 exactly. Exactly.
What if we screw this up?
If we screw this up, we have to wait till the clock to go all the way back around to 9:35.
AM or PM?
It doesn't, Evan.
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter.
It's not a digital fucking
Right.
clock.
Alright. Bam! There we go. Did that work? Is that working?
The clock is moving, the clock is moving. It's at 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
Yes! 9:35! We got it!
Watch it. Watch it.
Here's the bucket!
That's what you gotta do.
That's what you gotta do!
That's bullshit. The fuck was that?
Yeah.
That's
Throw my hands in the water!
I don't know.
Throw my hands in the water!